In the last video, we have been setting up Sui client, and we got to generate that our account address and alias. And for me, it's this one and the following address. For you, it should be different. What we want to do in this video, we want to set up the actual wallet in which you will be seeing your account and also the balance we currently have. We have only one Sui, but yeah, let's see it also visually in the wallet. Okay, let's begin. You need to begin in our browser, so please open your browsers. And to set up the wallet, we need to download the extensions. There are multiple wallets you can use. There is official wallet. I will show you. Just open here a new tab and look here for Sui wallet extension. Okay, so you can install the original one from Sui. Here it is, this one. Or you can go with the other one. Actually, we'll go with the other one because I like it actually more. And it's called Sui Wallet extension. For me, it's simpler to use, faster. So I'll go with this one, Sui. Depends on you. Actually, you can go which one you prefer. Maybe you want to try both of them and you decide which one you prefer. The benefit of this one, actually, what I think is that you can use the ZK login. So you can log in with your Google account, Facebook account, and so on, and it's very safe. And here I can use my my touch. Okay, so you can scan my fingerprint, and this wallet works for me faster. So I will be working with this one. I will leave the choice up to you. Try both of them, decide for yourself. So add to Chrome. Okay, so add extension. Okay, let's wait a second, and here we are. Okay, so I will close this, and here open extensions. I will pin it so I can see it here. I'll open it, and now, in normal case, you want to create a new wallet. When you are starting, you want to create a new account. Okay, when you will be creating the new account, you will enter first your password. You will confirm this password. The next step will be you will set up this 12-word phrase. Okay, and you will store it somewhere safe. The best would be to lock it in somewhere on the piece of paper. Okay, don't store it in some digital media because that can be taken, that can be hacked. So this phrase is always stored here. So that's how you would do it normally. Okay, if you want to start trading, for example, if you want to start doing stuff, you would set up new wallet. We will be setting up just a testing wallet for communicating with a test environment. That's why we have set up the testing network here. So what we want to do here, I'll go step back and I will import wallet. I will import the one we have just already created here. So I will click here, import wallet. You still need to do a password here, so please provide your passwords. Okay, next step. Okay, I need to choose a different password. Okay, let me try a different one. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, and now what we want to do here, we want to now import wallet with a recovery phrase. Okay, we can also use a private key, hardware wallet, whatever we want to do the recovery phrase. So click here, recovery phrase, and here you see this 12 words. That's why we stored it in our file here. So we'll go back to this file, and we will be copying these words there. So you have different words for sure. Okay, so please get these words into recovery phrase here. So I will accident element. Okay, so start writing accident share. Okay, element and remain. Okay, scissors timber between. Scissors timber between. Okay, and hawk crunch sense. Hawk crunch and sense. Okay, and the ginger message. Ginger and message. Okay, so this recovery phrase what was provided for us, with this we can also regenerate our account anywhere, and we'll be getting this account to our wallet, what we have now. And click here, confirm and import. And what you should see here, we have 0 Sui, that's completely fine. because we are on the mainnet. You see, on the mainnet, we will be working with the main network on the Sui. So that's where the most exchanges works. That's where you want to trade your money on the mainnet. On other nets, you want to just test it out. So that's what we want to do. We want to go to a different one. So here, your mainnet, click on it. We'll go to testnet. So click here, save, and now we're on a testnet. We can also, by the way, set up our IDs. So yeah, if you want, you can set up your ID. If you have this option, set it up. And you can see now, I can see here my Sui. That's the Sui we have sent here. We have one Sui currently worth 4.79. And the time of the record can be different. Hopefully it's much higher. Okay. So yeah, that's what I want to do. So this is the account that we have generated here. You can see the terminals. With this address we have now in our Sui wallet. Okay, get familiar with this wallet. NFTs, we'll be creating some NFTs in the later lectures. Some applications, decentralized applications you can work with and trade, and history of your transactions. Very simple, very fast. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this lecture. Very quick one, just setting up the wallet. Try both of them, decide which one you like the best for you. Okay, finish here, and let's continue in the next video. Cheers.